As part of efforts to save Igbo language from extinction, Abagana Youth Association Lagos branch has honored the best students in Igbo language. The award ceremony held at the Abagana Civic Center is a first of its kind in the community. It drew all the best students in Igbo language from all the public secondary and primary schools in the community. Correspondent Amaka Chibuzo-Okoye has the details.
The award, initiated by Abagana Youth Association Lagos branch, was sponsored by Chief Chibuzo Igbaka with the aim to promote speaking, writing, and learning of Igbo language while making the children proud of the Igbo language. Declaring the event open, the chairman on the occasion, High Chief Emeka Igbaka, said investing in education is the greatest thing one can do for others because education is the bedrock of any progressive society. He lamented that it disheartens that many Igbo do not know how to speak his language and asked parents and guardians to make it a point of duty to make the language the first thing they teach their children and work. The chairman of Abagana Youth Association Lagos branch, Sir Peter Igbaka, explained that the association is poised to close any gap that their community is lagging, in which is why they are investing heavily in annual sports competition in the community and have set up different endowments in education. Sir Peter said the association deemed the award necessary because it is a way to encouraging those who performed excellently in the subject and use it to change the notion that Igbo language is not important. He frowned at teachers who prohibit their students from speaking Igbo language and urged them to look at other cultures to see how they promote their language, and even foreigners who are making painstaking efforts to learn Igbo language.
As literacy can strong ability to read and write.
In a goodwill message, a stakeholder from the community, who is the National Auditor of People's Democratic Party, Sir Ben Obi Okechukwu, said there is need to encourage people to speak Igbo language and described as unacceptable the practice of punishing students because they speak Igbo language.
We need to encourage people to speak Igbo language because the thing is virtually just fading away. You find out that it's only in Igbo race that you find people, parents that are both Igbos, but their children cannot speak Igbo language, and they encourage them to speak English, thinking that it's a status symbol.
A teacher, Mrs. Irene Ikenohulu, commended the award initiative and said that it will motivate the pupils to put more interest in learning and speaking the language. In their separate speeches, two awardees, Chinaza Onwebusi and Happiness Obata, thanked their benefactor, Chief Chibuzo Igbaka, and promised that they will join in the vanguard for the promotion of Igbo language and culture. The best students in Igbo language from the secondary school went home with the cash award of 30,000 naira each and other gift items, while those from primary school went home with 25,000 naira each and other prizes. From Abagana Civic Center, Amaka Chibuzo Okoye, ABS News.